Ever wonder how you're going to make your Excel spreadsheets look clean and professional in seconds? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to merge cells in Excel, and trust me, it's a game changer. By the end of the video, you'll know how to merge cells quickly and correctly so your data looks polished and organized. Whether it's for work, school, or personal projects, this simple trick will save you time and impress your audience. Let's face it, spreadsheets are going to get messy fast, labels everywhere, mismatched rows and columns. It's a serious headache. And if you ever tried merging cells but lost your data or ruined the format, you know it can feel intimidating. But don't worry, I got you. Here's how to merge the cells the right way in 3 simple steps. First, you want to select the cells you want to merge. Click and drag the highlighted cells you want to merge. This works perfectly for creating headers or combining labels. Next, you want to go ahead and click on the Home tab and find the Merge in Center button on the toolbar. Once you have it, you're going to go ahead and click it and click OK. And once you've done, you're going to see that your cells are merged into one neat block. If you're merging multiple rows across columns, use the Merge Across option. It keeps the alignment consistent without forcing everything into the center. So let's try that again. So let's try Merge Across. Click OK. Perfect. Now, always double check your data before merging, as Excel only keeps the content from the top left cell. And hey, merging cells is like magic. One click, and suddenly your spreadsheet looks like it was made by a pro. Just don't overdo it, or your boss might think you're an Excel wizard. So, if this tutorial helped you, hit the button and share it with a friend who's always struggling with spreadsheets. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. So to recap, select your cells, hit Merge in Center, and use the Merge Across for rows. With just a few clicks, your Excel sheet can go from chaos to professional in no time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.